Hello guys, today I will show you how to check negative values in your dataset. I will create a loop, and in loop I will write a condition which will show us that our column consists of negative values or not. So let's get started. First of all, create a variable. As I am creating columns to check. Okay, so let's create it and assign it any column which you want to check that it consists negative values or not. As in start I'm giving only one column, but at the end I will show you how you can give many columns in one statement. So let's write quantity. After writing quantity, I'm using for loop to check negative values. So write for and assign them a variable named columns. Write in columns check, and then here I will give a condition using if else statement that if our data consists negative values then do this, if not then do this. For this process write if, and here I am giving our data frame which is new df. So write your data frame here, or and here I'm assigning this variable columns, and I'm giving the condition that if this variable is less than 0 then do this, which I will show you next, and write dot any. Now here we will use print statement that if negative values found in the column then print that negative values are found, and in else statement we will use that if negative values are not found then write negative values are not found. So now you can see I write these two statements. Now let's execute it. An error happened. Let's see what is error. Name column to check is not defined. I think I gave here a wrong name. You can see column. Let rename it columns. So now let's execute it. You can see now our output is negative values found in the customer ID. Now I will give another column here. So use comma and give another column name which is unit price. Now execute it. You can see negative values found in the customer ID column. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe my channel, like it, and support in comment section.